In the complex world of medical malpractice lawsuits, financial pressure can be overwhelming. Legal fees, expert witnesses, and extensive documentation can drain resources quickly. Many plaintiffs find themselves in a tough spot, struggling to cover living expenses while waiting for their case to resolve. This is where medical malpractice lawsuit funding steps in, offering a financial lifeline. You can trust a company like Alliance Litigation Funding to help you financially during this hard time. Lawsuit funding, also known as legal funding, provides cash advances against potential settlements. This option is especially beneficial for those embroiled in lengthy medical malpractice cases. With lawsuit funding, plaintiffs can pay bills and legal costs without the stress of settling prematurely due to financial strain. This support allows them to focus on recovery and their legal strategies. Unlike traditional loans or lawsuit loans, lawsuit funding doesn't require monthly payments, no credit check, no upfront fee. Repayment is contingent upon winning the case, meaning plaintiffs only pay back the advance if they secure a favorable outcome. This risk-sharing arrangement aligns the interests of both the plaintiff and the funding company, fostering a collaborative approach to achieving justice. So how does pre-settlement funding work? First, the plaintiff applies for funding by providing details about their case and supporting documentation. This application is crucial as it helps the funding company assess the case's potential for success. Next, the company evaluates the case, reviewing medical records and consulting legal experts to ensure a reasonable chance of winning. And if the case looks strong, the funding company offers an advance and both parties enter an agreement outlining the terms. This agreement is vital for setting clear expectations and protecting the plaintiff's interests. Repayment occurs only if the plaintiff wins or settles the case. If the case is lost, the plaintiff typically owes nothing, making this option particularly attractive for those facing financial hardship. The benefits of medical malpractice lawsuit funding are significant. It provides immediate financial relief, allowing plaintiffs to cover living expenses and medical bills. This support can be a lifeline, especially for those unable to work due to their injuries. It also helps avoid selling assets or taking on high-interest loans, preserving financial stability during a challenging time. However, plaintiffs should consider a few factors before securing funding. The cost can be high, with fees and interest rates that may reduce the final settlement amount. Understanding these costs upfront is crucial. Additionally, some plaintiffs might feel pressured to settle quickly to repay the advance, potentially resulting in a lower settlement. Working closely with an attorney can help balance financial needs with the pursuit of a fair outcome. And choosing a reputable funding company like Alliance Litigation Funding is essential. Look for transparency in terms and reasonable rates now. Researching companies and seeking recommendations can lead to a positive funding experience. In conclusion, medical malpractice lawsuit funding can be a valuable resource for those facing financial challenges in their pursuit of justice. With the right support, plaintiffs can get help and focus on healing and achieving the compensation they deserve. If you need a financial help or your case reviews, you can reach out to Alliance Litigation Funding through the website or call at 609-314-0439.